This is worse than I thought. They're even feeling the same things.
Alright, it's done. I've put hello. Gomboll! I am you from the future. And I know it's a total bummer, but you're gonna have to correct the subject line. Can't you do it? You're here now. Gosh, was I really that much of a jerk when I was young?
Yep.
Gosh, am I really that much of a sucker in the future? Don't mess with me, little man, cause I can go back in time and do this. Oh, so you think you're the only one that can play that game, huh? Let's see how you feel after I've had all Dad's candy. Stop! You're giving me cavities! What the? Truebox weapons! Fine, you asked for this! You treacherous little... You put tape on it! You left the weapons on! Change the subject of the email. Okay. Or maybe I'll do this!